What's going on, folks? This is Steven Zirkle. I'm doing my discussion post on the Airline Mechanic. Um, Personally, I was an aircraft mechanic for 5 years, 4 years experience, 1 year training in the Marine Corps, aircraft safety equipment on C-130s. In the civilian sector, the requirements are at least a high school diploma or GED, a driver's license. They'll do a background check. You got to be 18 years old, legally authorized to work in the U.S. A lot of companies want you to have the A&P license. Even better if you have inspection authority. Sometimes if you're working on avionics, they might want you to have an FCC license. On the military side of things, you don't really need to have those A&P or FCC. They just want to see that you've got the experience and the leadership and the background in the platform that you're going to be working in. For the A&P license, you need to go to a approved FAR Part 147 school. If you don't have an A&P license, then you can substitute that with 18 months supervised by a certified mechanic or 30 months experience for both the airframe and power plant license. Salaries. Glassdoor average was $48,000. Salary.com was $82,600. Indeed gave a hourly of $25 an hour with 10,984 employees reporting in on their salaries on Indeed. The range was from $11.20 to $44.35 per hour. In the military, of course, it's based on your pay grade, and to get promoted, of course, you got to show your experience and that you're qualified and that you've met your professional military requirements, what we call PME. Promotion opportunities, there's plenty of opportunities to get promoted here. You can become the supervisor on the military side. They would call it like a maintenance controller or a work center supervisor, or for me, I was a collateral duty inspector. Civilian sector, you got aviation director of maintenance, which I saw a salary of $130K being offered for Everett's Air Cargo. And for that, you would need to have a Part 121 experience, 3 years experience in Part 121 operations, 5 years experience in leadership, A&P license, and for the Air National Guard, $42.75 an hour. It's a WS-10, so it's a worker grade type position. It's not a GS position. Interestingly enough, the job listing on Air National Guard didn't specifically say anything about an A&P license. Walmart is actually looking for a director of maintenance. What they're asking for is a bachelor's in aviation management, 5 years experience, or 5 years experience with leadership, or 7 years experience as a technician. A&P license, of course, 4 years experience, and a FAR 145 certified repair station is a plus, as well as the inspection authority. These are just some general findings, but it can be a very hectic area to work in. Personally, I've seen a lot of bad things happen, and if you're on top of things and consistently put forth your best effort, as in any job, then you'll succeed. It's not for everybody, but it can definitely be a rewarding job. These are my 3 key findings, and enjoy the rest of your night, and see you next week.